Lenovo IdeaPad 1. Browse, explore, and connect with confidence on the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 powered by AMD Ryzen 7000 series processor. The IdeaPad 1 packs responsive performance in a thin and compact 17.9mm chassis, making multitasking on the go a breeze. Get the most out of your device with a frameless display for more screen and Dolby audio speakers, along with long hours of battery life and rapid charge. Watch shows on a more expansive screen with a thin frame for an 87% active area ratio, the amount of screen compared with the size of its borders, and FHD. Keep hackers from getting to your device. The 1-megapixel camera comes with a physical privacy shutter to keep peeping eyes from spying, even after a video call.